in there. He buy the baby cake, him do everything.
Give him his flowers, D. Give him his flowers. I am proud of you. Give him his flowers.
So why why my relationship can't go like that?
D, give him his flowers, D. I'm proud of you, D. Give him his flowers, D. Give him it. Dion.
If Jillany,
Hey boy.
I'm come out from live and say it. Come out phone live and say it and come back.
What you say?
If Jillany butter bruise that, butter bruise face, butter bruise everything. I think I can get a chance. Well, I know every woman take fuckery. You know, so she and job as fuck already. And I have to ask. No face or two, guys. Who's that girl? Give me some advice there, do. I need it right now. Come in the box. About what I should do. Come give me some advice. Come give me some advice. Come in the box. You don't see me live. With the live, father.
Yes, sir.
Yes, advice.
My advice is you don't wait for anybody, especially when you're in your 20s.
You think so?
You can date and should take our time. That's the point of dating.
So,
Unless she asks you to be exclusive, and me don't know if anybody exclusively wait, unless them they are prison. Now when they are prison, nobody now wait. Me not tell you to move on, you know. I'm just saying don't wait. Live your life.
okay.
Especially while she sought out herself. And she heals and all this other stuff I hear she's doing.
You just don't cheat. What a girl said to me?
Even more reason for live your life. Get it out of your system. Do all you need to do before you're locked door. What no say? That's unfair? Somebody say the moderator a brainwasher, what? I'll read this. The one where our man not stop burn our rotted clothes.
No man, don't disrespect them.
I'm not disrespecting them. That the person said.
Don't read up.
Well, every man don't cheat. Jabas is calling you, they claim. Anything else? Hi, Jabas. Well, Jabas internet today.
How are you going, Jaden?
Mix up.
Yes!
Alright. Magan.
Tommy Bay, stop one son of my girl. You come.
Chat, tell them fi owe me.
Tommy Bay, just
Them
text me,
have
girl.
one but soul
So
only.
Jaden, you know here say, big sleeping never go on tonight.
Eh?
D and Jillany gone back.
Helelelelele.
So if okay, I'm allow that alone.
Helelelelele.
Ivani,
Yeah.
give me a look advice there.
On what topic?
So when me ask you something funny, you never see me a while ago.
Vani, I can't a TikTok live, you know. Me no feel like you feel weird. It don't make sense to wear clothes.
Hey, hey. They make a trip to BBC now this, you know. What you say now?
You never see me a while ago.
Me?
You see Van.
Could you add me? I just come. My first request sent at this me accept. Me don't know if I
Van, me dey on my phone I watch you. Me dey on my phone I watch
you
you.
could have watched me because I never a nice screen a while ago. You too lie. A baba team me did that make.
Jabas, they must say they not see you.
What the advice?
So come now.
Eh? Internet is our Jaden guy. If you want to come over here for cut left me, alright, go on.
No. Me never last see no.
So, I didn't back. So what go on now?
Let them tell her, read the comments.
You see me now?
What the
Yeah.
fuck this bitch gave me? It's like, it's all chicken, no boneless. What the fuck? I don't even like meat like that.
Vani, read the comment now.
Jaden,
Uh-huh.
you want to know how me know say this still love Fabi and have a little thing for Fabi same way?
Yeah.
But me say with the piece of dolly same way. Because if a girl that come me fling with that long time, you know,
Uh-huh.
and you keep that dolly, so that shows her
Father.
you move on yet.
And so me know you don't move on from how yet neither.
So what me feel that show? Me feel that show ice? Cause all the thing that me have feel in my eyes, me feel that show boy. But look, me personally, me care nobody say. So the moment you see Fabi join back in live with you after all of them things you work on, to me, you're not already there now. She just make her way. She not really fully reach, but she's on her way. Me a woman, and me can see few things, and a God alone can come down and tell me shame. Fabi now go right back.
She still love him. She still love him.
You see media, and maybe two moderator in her head, maybe two gifters in her head, maybe two people at DMR, maybe all her own friend that were close to her or somebody. I tell her, I said, don't go back, you know. I views the boy try to look for you, don't go back, no make you watch her either.
So Vani.
Tell her things, but she won't go back.
So Vani, may I be honest? You think me a look views?
Yeah, to be honest, they're talking from me. I know Fabi through you, I never know Fabi through Sonia.
Chat, if you never follow me yet, follow me now. Click the follow button and give me a follow now.
A lot of people know Fabi through Sonia, a lot of them know Fabi through you. Me know she through you. I never know she before all of this. You didn't have your views, and then something there, but I want to see in the comment section. People, they must say they want our review.
Thanks all I know you follow me back. Thank you no.
But
Vanny, why you explain to the viewers? Cause
that's what I wait for them to tell. She doesn't reach it.
no, me not talk about that. Me not talk about the views part. Why you, cause I'm tell you Vanny. You see me and you, it kinda like the same thing, you know. You see it? You kinda like the same thing in our sense when it come on to TikTok. Yeah, we see your buy bottom, we see it. At least I know with brick money, but we see it. But anyways, I want you explain to the viewers. Because them say I want views, you know. You explain to the viewers. Just, I don't know.
I'm sure what to do. I'm sure what to do.
Yeah.
So Fabi not different from one. Yeah, Gina and Fabi are Gina. The two are using the head for one another. The two are spend for one another. The two are love one another. When the young people toxic. There's no relationship with perfect. Two on the young on the toxic. When you go in a relationship on the left, you're going only thing you might go pick up one woman. And we only know say, and to me personally, me feel like you just pick up them the girl just because you're Fabi left, so you want to make Fabi get jealous. It reach a point where she look like she just finally gone about her business. Not way you could get her jealous or whatever. You feel that it's like you, I get the older you get now, your picture life say boy and this one. Who you did there with and really them you want. You cannot see yourself.
True.
Try to find back yourself now with who you really want. Like, like reality start lick you now and show yourself bumbleclad. Because in a year sense, Fabi always a run come back to you. Like if you want Fabi is there back with you. Now, you see it for yourself clearly, say woman now look. So it's like reality start lick you now and you say bumbleclad. Actually,
no man, she a look man. But anyway.
I know what I want, man. I know what I want. You wanna play hard forget that. You share play hard forget. And you bold enough for want her and can set up her life, but she play hard. You have to understand to Jaden say people like me know say people in her ears. I God alone can come tell me say she not have one gifter, one tapper, when her friend them a tell her, don't go back to Jaden. Or wanna chat them over there tell her don't go back. But me see picture, me say, guys, when you save the life you feel when the day happen. Me surely say Fabi going, she just not reach yet. You know, like when you're there for your way you go shop, and you know you somebody call you, so wait there, say me there for way you go shop, but me not reach it. She slowly there on her way going to you, but it's like she no want just run back to you so the old media can say, I say the food my girl, cause we all know say if you two on the back now, you two on go love each other or whatever, but the feedback behind night, it not gonna be upon you, it gonna mostly depend on she, cause them want bully her and say, you eat that car. After what Jaden did, should go back to him. Because that's what me I see them already I say. And I said, if she ever go back to him, and I go over her life, I'm going to unfollow her, and the two of them I do it for money. So with all those things that she's seen, because she has seen them too, it's like, yeah, I wonder. But she ever go back, she slowly down.
Savannah, you think if she fall back, she go stop get support?
People say, people, you see them, listen, you see them people, them way I say, no, and them I switch them out when you and her go back and come for your life and say, no. When you think you go on the TJ and Maya, we lose 2,000 followers on TikTok. And after that next year, 2,000 of them follow me back. And I follow social media. Fabi, if you're watching the live, go within your heart. If your heart tell us they're back with your man, they're back with your man. Now make social media stop you from talk back to somebody. Life too short for your whole malice. Life too short for your whole grudge. The Bible tells us when you're married, you can apologize and get a second chance. You don't have to marry to apologize. Go with your heart. If you feel like you want to take back your man, take back your man. Nobody for the media tell you nothing. Back your man.
Good evening.
Because you really supporters, them are going to stay. People who truly love you and support you, they will not leave. Them not know where you go. The one that we say, you know, get them gift, them bin never did a gift from man. And that's a chat off them out. They with your man and go talk. If you want to take your time and go back. So I go.
So.
Nobody tell you nothing, girl.
Good evening.
Evening, Arthur. Evening.
Good evening.
And Jaden,
Jesus Christ, Father, good evening.
Even Jaden, you're not eager to fight. If you want to take 1,000 years and fight for your woman and depend on life and fight till I get her back, fight for her. Or someone man fight for me, fight for your woman till I get her back.
That was what I think.
I'm going to put this out in the ear. Big
That's so shut up, man.
Don't feel some type of way. Me just based on the topic. I like you same way. I Yeah, Fabi, me have nothing against you, know, but me just talk on that topic. You know, some people will take it far and we feel some type of way. But it's love. Love same way. Okay, we're going. Arthur.
Jesus.
Yeah, honey. Sing it out like I funny. Raise.
Jabas.
What one?
Me there.
Yeah, go shoot 2 video Jabas.
Me
Yeah.
come fi ask you a question. If it's a no, it's a no. If it's a yes, it's a yes.
Yeah, if you have money.
Hey.
You
No
ever want
fears.
free things? You ever want free things?
You can't tell have ECM sitting. You have great disease.
Yeah.
Me want know your face puff up so far there. I
At least,
money.
at
Good
least,
life, good
at least I
life.
just me face alone and my whole body.
Bumbo. Fuck up.
Alright, Arthur, sorry.
Fuck
Sorry,
up.
Arthur.
Arthur.
Eh?
Sorry, Arthur.
The man them happy and stress free. I saw them look good. Them
Yeah,
fat
you
and
know,
nice.
you to get fat forward there.
Who stress free?
Life agree, cause him woman a go back in them life, so it a show.
Who stress free? Me
The
full
stress free man.
of stress, man.
Jabas.
Yo.
Tell us a family their foot, just do it.
You know still somebody no link you last night.
No, sir.
Cashman no link you.
No, sir. Cashman no better.
Baby, you wanna come on my face and I take it
Madam.
and put it on a cookie
Yeah.
and eat it around?
Boy.
You know the part, something that easy, man.
One boxing match.
Yeah, like, I don't mind them how me for me.
Tell him man say if he
Yo,
go
tell, watch out, Arthur. Make me deliver that message. Yeah.
Well, I know Jaden.
Any boy want do boxing match, tell him go do that with them mama.
Look at him. Arto. Tell
Eh.
him man say if you go invite him man from town. Where did that fucking girl? If he might told him go back see you, no me.
Jesus Christ, I want me to take up my head, man.
If you make it chopper where they are town, we come down a weekend time, go fucking girl. I told him to go thump you, not me.
What we are talking about again?
Vardy, what?
Pum look and turn him.
Yeah.
They say them a shot.
You know, start your whole line yet.
Jabba, who we are talking about?
No call nobody bumbo clock name,
But
man.
down here, them a say they want me and him play boxing.
Oh, me now not with down there.
Wrong bus stop, Arto. Me not depend on them style.
Yo,
Good.
Pops want fight energy then.
Tell Pops to go suck out him, mama. Tell Pops to go shoot him head in a RT batty.
You want me to say so?
This
Pops just say no.
RT, no stop fuck Pops. Tell him to go fight RT with him.
Turn on the work for you, no.
Tell him to go fight RT cocky with him out again.
Jesus Christ. So the man then can't make take it to the internet.
Yeah, me have time to box no man. You see, say me woman no there so. Tell him to move them blood clot here, man.
And money we are making up.
Me no want to make no money so. Beg.
I'm a big, I'm not a boxer.
God.
So Arthur, who you go fight?
Me? No, I mean just a keep it, you know. Just a host the event.
Say you want, me say you. Tell coach figure fight, come.
Yo, what the fuck you know my top call people them over here.
I tell Italy we go fight Chara shit.
Jillany if you go fight D.
Varney.
Tell King we go fight Shay.
Tell Annie if you go fight TikTok police.
Tell world off go fight butter.
Mr. My youth, that's the time my youth.
Alright.
So I didn't mess up the hot.
Them the thing that brother.
I didn't mess up the
Jabba,
hot.
you don't know that fuck up.
Yo, Arthur. You see if that gone? You see if that gone? I know Jamaica only go in, I know. Go there, blood clot foreign too.
And I same thing with your pops.
Right now, with World Dog, I two war go and Arthur a World Dog too.
Jesus Christ.
Man. Trevor and Tiki. Rosalie and Derek.
No, I like you.
Right, you. One of them.
And Vanny can go fight K.
Yeah.
Me? I look up my teeth there, but
Chanel and Titi. Annie and TikTok police.
No man, we not
Yeah,
good man. It's good, bro.
yeah, fight.
Where's the free Jabbas?
No, I'm not afraid. If I give me one next opponent, no.
Oh, I don't see opponent.
Yeah, we don't have a clothing with them, man. I'm
Do
good.
you think that's safe for Jamaica? Suppose them get serious and stab each other.
No, police I did it, then can't do that. Them have to search going on venue, search, come back out.
Boy, Vani, your pum pum
You
great.
can search. You can search man the way you go back home to.
And that's the thing
Yeah,
now.
man,
The response
yeah.
to this, sir.
Oh.
Yes, push up my ratchet.
But one of you left out before the next one, you know. One not left out, one
Yeah,
blood
nah,
clot
I don't
time.
stop
Imagine
you.
hear that.
Vani, your pum pum great. Now, see man sing about it.
Skin it out like Ivani. Skin it out like Barney. Skin it out like Ivani. Skin it out like
Barney.
Ivani.
Hey,
Oi!
Yo,
I'm
Barney.
there, sir. I know Jabba San Jaden alone there.
Boy, Vani, but I still do it, you know.
Man, tapping nice, man. I see where I try to get back here, your wife.
Oh, that with me, you know. That.
Your mind just not stable.
You go hard for change.
Oh, Arthur, let me tell you, Arthur. The man them not rate the thing on a real level, bro. Mind game them a use, so me nah